Okay, but wait, hold on, wait. Fun fact, we got the guys with us. I don't know. Yay. What? Do I see you? Do you see me? This is real. This is me. Hey guys. I wouldn't say our office has the best lighting. Would you?
Nope.
Is that on like a different mode? Is that why? Is that 1.8 make it look like?
We've not been able to have it on manual, and I put it on manual, and now we can go down that far because we can control it, whereas before it was kind of on like an auto camera mode.
Cool. Okay, it is Friday, and we're going to process some orders and figure out what else we're gonna do. So come along with us and watch the process. Okay, but wait, hold on, what 5-year-old did you just watch?
She'd be really offended if you called her a 5-year-old.
What 11-year-old?
Her name is...
Give her creds.
Jane Jawbray. She's got 17,000 followers.
You go, girl.
11,000 views.
Creds.
Okay. I was trying, first I was
Show the video.
What?
Show her video. Oh. How to edit your thumbnails.
Yeah. So I was trying to figure out how to do a cutout of...
It's never too late to learn.
Right. Apparently it's never too early either.
Yeah.
Anyways, you little tech-savvy kids. Trying to figure out how to do an outline in text. And then she was just adding an extra, so she taught me how to cut myself out. See, I'm actually underneath. But I had to use...
It's like you're a paper doll.
Pixeler to like cut myself out and stuff. But see, I didn't do good getting super close.
No, but it's fun.
You've got that.
Yeah, it's okay though. You get the idea.
It.
Yeah. Bucky said yes to Texas? Mexican.
Oh.
I was gonna say tacos. I was gonna say tacos and I was gonna say Mexican, and that's why it came out as Texas.
Matt yet? Yeah. So we're gonna keep figuring out from children how to edit because adults don't know how.
That's from our previous vlog with Stephanie doing wacky wavy inflatable arm guy in Target.
I would have put that part in the thumbnail, but it was out of focus. This is
no, that's like right after when you're like, oh my gosh, like, somebody saw me. Yeah.
No, nobody saw me.
No, yeah. But you wouldn't do it long enough for me to back up to get you in focus. That's what happened. All right. Hey guys! Fun fact, we got the guys with us.
Howdy.
That's Manholtz right there. I kept both of them at the exact same time. That's pretty funny, right, Bucky?
Yeah, I'm laughing.
Shut up, seriously. Like I just hold it like this and they're both on here.
Like here we are, Matt. It's like old times. Floating down the road. Floating right down the road.
Yeah, where are we going, Steph? To my eyeball. Where are we going?
To go eat.
First we're picking our mom up.
Yeah, we gotta go get the moms. She needed a girls' night, but like with us.
The boys don't count.
Yeah.
We're just chauffeurs.
They're basically
just chauffeurs. Yeah.
We just drop off and...
Here, you can take it. It's
I can take it?
Ooh. It's having focus issues. Oh. It's really bright.
Holy crap. In the history
Make that
of
less
Alabama,
bright.
yeah, we're like an 800 or 900 win team. Something like that.
Is that less bright?
Nick Saban has had 114
I don't know.
of them.
Yay.
A ninth of the history.
I don't know what else to talk about, but we're gonna go eat. It's gonna be good times.
Mexicans.
And yes, we're gonna eat Mexican food. And me and Matt are thinking fajitas.
We might have been around 800.
And did you say fajitas? Yeah.
900.
I was gonna get fajitas, or you were? We're gonna share them.
Fajitas.
I didn't know you ate fajitas. Fajitas? Well, I eat this, so I get the steak, and I eat the steak, and then I eat the onions, and then I eat the tortillas. Oh, so it's basically like your soft tacos? Yeah, that's why we get it, because it's like my soft tacos, but like he gets the chicken and shrimp off of the fajita thing, and I get the steak and onions. It works out. Am I getting quesadilla. Focus.
And Tina's gonna eat the dang food.
What's Bucky gonna eat?
Burritos?
Burritos.
Burritos. I like burritos. Yep.
Burritos.
Okay, it's really bright.
How much is this one?
Oh, I have no idea.
They don't have the price on it.
I know it's cool looking.
Shoot.
Go, Matt, go.
Where's he going?
I don't know. Here, Matt, I'll sit out in the back.
What? This thing's got tilt steering.
What?
That's funny.
Is it funny?
But he looks like a little, like, he looks Mario Kart. Did you say Mario Kart?
Mario Kart,
yeah.
The banana.
Okay, give me a big smile and a thumbs up. Okay.
They're advertising.
Yeah.
This thing's
You think Polaris will give us something?
Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag, come on, Polaris, come at us.
Come at us.
Is Polaris?
Bucky's looking at these things. I think no. I want that green one over there.
Yeah, is that the one you?
It's got like,
Oh, Mom, these are not the four-wheelers we grew up with.
no, they're super aggressive looking.
Yeah, do they even make four-wheelers this small? That's what we grew up with.
There were some that were that big.
How much it swallows my foot?
It swallows
Like, you
it.
know when you would get on a four-wheeler and like your foot would hang off the things? It was like an entire
Oh,
like,
yeah,
section
yeah.
for like 10 feet.
Yeah, it's for 10 feet.
Like, I'm gonna dive that way. Oh, it's wet. It's wet. It's wet.
Boom, boom, boom.
Like a real.
It's probably automatic too. No, there's this one over here. It's the General. Wait, General? Yeah, it's the General. I want him to get this. It's so much cooler. It's got like neon green racing stripes. But it has a really cool like GPS thing. Yep. Steph said that they're bigger than what we grew up on and they don't make them like...
They don't make them like they used to.
Stripped
down with some racks on the front and back.
Stripped down racks on racks.
Racks on
I don't
racks.
know the tag.
They don't want people riding on them.
That four-wheeler has a backrest.
Oh, that's for a second person. We're gonna go ride and get us.
Touring. You know how much that costs? You wouldn't believe me if I told you. That costs as much as the Ranger.
We would have been way more comfortable riding
You've
too.
got handles on the side to hold on to.
Yeah.
But you said touring. Oh, it's wet in my shoe. Oh, I just dripped down in my sandal. Don't rock it. Okay.
Model.
Swap with me and sit up here and feel how comfy it is.
Halloween.
Wait, what did you have to do before you started?
What?
You licked your lips so you could burn.
That tickles my lips.
I mean, you still got to take the trailers down there. Still taking the same
The
amount
trailer's
of room.
fixing my third day.
It's got rearview mirrors.
Do I see you? Do you see me?
It's got rearview mirrors, Wolf.
You do understand we have access to it anytime I want.
Can we get one of these instead, Bucky?
Yeah, Bucky.
We can get both.
How much does one of these set us back?
Would you? It's about $13,000. 10 to
Costs
13.
the same amount as your Civic did when we bought it.
You're green. Like the tone out here. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's green. Pose in front of there like you're a model. This is your vehicle. And your pose. I don't know why I'm saying, but just work it. Yeah, work it. Stick that leg out.
Which one?
Just stick it out. Just stick it out. I just sneezed. Don't puke. Don't puke.
Body like that. You said we have enough.
Oh, is that enough?
Yeah.
Look, you guys commented on our video. Can you see it? I don't know. Hold on, I'm gonna read some of them. Okay, hold on, let me go to the top. All right, we're on our way to go eat, so that's what's going on. Lindsay Cooper said, more vlogs, please. Roll Tide, you know, girl. Missy,
recording?
yeah.
Oh.
Missy Ford said,
Hey.
buggy carter basket, as long as it holds our stuff and the wheels work. Love you, girls. So happy to see you vlogging more.
I have a fun idea.
Hold on, Ashley Marie asked if I still have my Honda. I do, but we are selling it to a friend. We live near the same area in Alabama, and I love your store. I want to meet you. Thank you. Amanda, when's that beautiful purple wrap dress available? You should.
They can't understand you
Yeah,
speaking too
we got.
fast.
I have the comments pulled up so they can see them. Yeah. Okay. Gemma said, loving the vlogs. Oh, purple dress. Yeah. We're gonna take it this week. That's gotta go up.
Are we gonna take the picture?
Oh shoot, I forgot.
Or to mark it?
We'll see. We haven't decided yet.
Do it Monday.
I kind of thought about doing it after we got our hair done. Come back and do some. Yeah.
We'll see how long it is.
Lindsay said, I never comment, but always watch. That's like when you hear those phone calls, it's like, first time caller, long time listener.
Okay, ready for my idea?
Hi.
Is it supposed to go on the vlog?
Yes. Okay, my idea.
Take
so
it.
I saw.
Take it.
Oh gosh, so I've seen some people do this on their vlogs, and it kind of benefits you guys, and it kind of, I mean, it benefits everyone. So it's click the notification bell and then comment down below that you're a part of the notification squad, and we'll shout some of you guys out in each vlog. Ooh. So like on top of like just shouting out comments, we'll you know, shout out you guys for joining.
Preferential treatment to the ones who click the bell. That's what you're saying?
I mean, it's just fun.
Can we talk about how many days this week I wore stripes?
What?
Every day?
2.
No, this top is from the store.
We haven't photographed it yet.
Yeah, we haven't photographed it yet. It says Wonderlust.
You're not sending me a message, are you?
Okay, let's go eat some foods.
Yay.
Yay. Say yay, boys.
Boys.
Say yay.
Yay. Ain't no boys in here.
What's man? Hey guys, just a quick update. You guys want to know what our Saturday nights are like. Well, I'm at home by myself, and well, technically, Matt's across the street at Tracy and Bucky's house. And I am knee deep in getting all the junk out of my bathroom. But I was just texting, I've got a video playing. I'm watching bathroom organization videos while I organize my bathroom. Stab. Okay, so I was texting Tracy and Heather, my other sister, and we were talking about how much junk we accumulate. And I told them that there is absolutely no reason why I need the straightener that I have and 2 backup straighteners. What is that? Like, I think that my straightener is gonna go out and then what, I'm gonna need a backup straightener? That's never really happened to me. Not, at least not more than maybe 1 time in my entire life. So I'm trying to organize my bathroom. Oh, this is what it's looking like right now. This is underneath my sink, which kind of always stays organized because for the most part, it's stuff that I don't grab for on an everyday basis. But these drawers, they collect junk. And this gigantic countertop collects junk. And it's so funny because originally I would have been like so excited, or initially when we moved in here, I was so excited to have such a big vanity. And that's Matt's vanity back there. So I have one to myself. But it's even worse having a big one and having it to myself because then I let it get that much junkier. At least when me and Matt shared one, only half of it was junky. So, and then my closet's gonna be a whole nother story. Weekends, they're lit, as the kids say.